What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send BONK from Binance to Phantom Wallet. So, how do we exactly do so? So, first things first is we want to go ahead and change a few things and understand a few things here. So, with how Phantom is currently set up, so if you try receiving something or try receiving any cryptocurrency, when you go to, just to give you an idea here, so in your Phantom wallet, when you click on receive, as you can see, you don't have any option to receive BONK here. So the thing with Phantom wallet is you can't directly receive BONK, but you can still have, or in this case, basically hold BONK in here. It's just that you can't receive it directly. So what you could do here is you could actually convert your BONK into Solana or Ethereum first, and then from then on, you could go ahead and make the transaction on your Binance account directly into Phantom Wallet. Now, how do we exactly do that? So let's go ahead and exit our Phantom Wallet. Let's go open up Binance, and in here, you want to go ahead and trade your BONK first. So you want to go to the trade section. You want to change this to BONK and USDT. So just type in BONK. From here, choose USDT. Now, you want to go ahead and basically sell your BONK into USDT, specify the amount here, and basically trade it for USDT. Now, once you've done that, we want to go ahead and trade our USDT that we just got into Solana or Ethereum. So, go ahead and choose Sol USDT if you want to use Solana. Now, in this case, we want to go ahead and click on buy here and basically buy your Solana. Now, once you've done all of those, what we need to do next is we want to go to our wallet, and from here, we want to go ahead and go to our spot wallet. Now, click on the option that says withdraw. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and choose whatever crypto that you have right now. So, since we have Solana, let's go ahead and search for Solana or Sol. And from here, choose send via crypto network. Now, you need to provide the following details. That includes the address, the network, and the withdrawal amount here. How do we get the address? Well, this one is pretty straightforward. You just need to open a Phantom wallet. Same thing, you want to go and choose the receive option that you see at the main menu. Just to give you an idea, this is the receive button. Choose Solana. From here, click on the copy button. Let's go and click on copy here, and once you've done that, what we need to do next is we want to go ahead and go back into in this case Binance. So in this case, let's go ahead and exit this one. Let's go open up Binance, and let's go ahead and press our address or enter our address here, and it's going to automatically use the Solana network here. Just provide the withdrawal amount here, click on withdraw, and from then on just confirm that. Now, once you've done that and received your crypto into your Phantom wallet, what we need to do next is we now need to swap it. So what we need to do is we just need to exit this one, click on the swap option that you see here on your main menu, and from here you want to choose Solana for this section, and the receive or you receive section, you want to go ahead and search for BONK. So let's go ahead and choose the search here. Just type in BONK. Let's go ahead and enter this one. Click on BONK here. And from here on, just specify the amount that you want to sell or convert or swap your Solana for. And you should also be able to see the BONK value that you'll be receiving here. But in this case, just confirm your transaction here and you should be good. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.